Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll talk about the trial balance. Trial balance in accounting. What is a trial balance? Okay. Before I go to the body of the presentation, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because this will help me a lot in producing more videos similar to this, right? So in accounting, what is a trial balance? Okay, so a trial balance, it is a list of all general ledger accounts and their corresponding balances. Okay, and at the end of the day, the balance has to be what? When you add all these balances, the balance has to be what? It has to be 0. Okay, so without much ado, let me prepare a trial balance. We have this data set. It has transactions 1 to 250, and then it has how many rows? The data set has 501 rows. So the task is to prepare a trial balance for this. This is a GL. Okay, this is a GL for a particular period, right? So what do I do if I want to prepare a trial balance? Okay, so first of all, you need to understand the data set. Okay, this is the transaction ID. That is from whatever system we are using. This is the account code, account name, debit and credit. Okay, how do we prepare this trial balance in Excel? Okay, you know, other accounting packages can easily, at a click of a button, you can have your trial balance, but here we're talking about Excel. So how do I create a trial balance from Excel? So you simply have to convert this data set into what? Into a table, right? So I'll just do Control T. My table has headers. Okay, if I want to check if it has selected all the data, yes, up to the end, that's correct. And then my table has headers, yes, and then I'll go there and clear the formatting. All right, so having created the table, I'll then need to insert what? Insert a pivot table, right? How do we insert a pivot table? So a pivot table, this is a summarization tool. So I will select, I'll go to insert pivot table from range. So this is the range we're talking about. So it has selected up to the what? Up to the end. And then I'll just do, where do I want my pivot table to be? Okay, it can be in a new worksheet or existing worksheet. Okay, so I want it on a new worksheet, so it will create a new worksheet like that, right? So these fields, these are the what? The columns. Okay, so if I get the account code, if I put it there, and then I get account name, just a minute. Okay, let me just remove field, and then I say debit, credit, and then on the account name, I don't know if, okay, all right, is that okay? That's fine. So here's a summary. Here is the summary of our data from here. So this is how it has been summarized. Okay, so what pivot table, let me format it. So you just go to value field settings, you go to number formatting, number, use 1000 separator. Okay, I also format this one, value field settings, number 1000 separator. Okay, so for this cash it has a total debit of what, 19,000. So it's a summary. It's a summary of what, of all our accounts. Okay, so what do I now need to do? I need to find out the balance for each of these accounts. So how do I find the balance? I'll simply do debit. I'll need a formula to write debit minus credit. So it will give me a balance for each what? For each account. So I'll need the balance in this column. So what I can do is I'll go straight to if I click in this pivot table or in this summary data, I'll go to pivot table analyze. Pivot table analyze. Just a minute, it's not responding. Okay, I don't know why it is not responding. Okay, I go to pivot table, I go to analyze. I don't know why this is not responding. It's not responding. I don't know what crime I have committed here. It's not responding. So what we can do, okay, here it is still on the design. Okay, on the design you can just go and select the layout you want. Okay, you can want to show it in a tabular form like this. Okay, you can also select all item labels, another layout in compact form like that, in whatever form you want. So okay, so I can leave it in this form, right? So let me go back to see. Yes, I'm now in the pivot table analyze. It has worked. Then I go to fields, items, and then I got what, calculated field. So what I'm trying to do here is I want to create a formula, a column whereby there will be debit minus credit to give us balances for each of these accounts. So I'll give it a name, account balance. Okay, what will it pick? Okay, it will get the debit, you insert, minus the credit, you insert. Okay, so you see now automatically we have what, we have the account balance field or column. Okay, so we have debit. You can edit that one. I don't know why it is not, it's not I don't know why it's not picking something. Okay, all right, let me just edit like that. Then here it is the credit. Okay, I edit that one as well. The account balance. All right, so as I say, what is a trial balance? A trial balance is a listing of all the accounts in your chart of accounts. So these are the accounts. Okay, we have these account codes and their names. So it's the list, it's a list of the accounts and their what, corresponding balances. So these are the balances in column E. And what is supposed to happen at the end of the day, when you add all these account balances, the result should be what? Should be 0. That's why here you'll find that under row 40, column E, you find that the sum is what? Is 0. It is 0 because debit has to always equal to what? Credit. So if that balance is not 0, it means there's an error. There's an error with your double entries. Okay, so that's what it means when we say what is a trial balance. this is the end of my video, and once again, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And in addition to that, I have a 25-hour course, Udemy course, worth around $22. So you can think of purchasing that course. It is a comprehensive course. It starts from the beginning, from your source documents to the point you are producing your financial reports, your income statement, your balance sheet, your statement of cash flows. All those are included in that. So you can just simply click on the link to the course. And also I have an Excel course. So there's also a link to that course. It's also a comprehensive course in Excel, for which is it is a 15 hour long. It is a 15-hour long course, and it also costs $22. Right. So thank you for your time, and bye bye.